Yo, what is up, Bears? Welcome back to the Life of Bear. It's your boy Bear, back on your internet screen for another daily vlog. No, vlog. I'm just making the daily part. No. Anyway, it's your boy Bear, back on your internet screen for another vlog. If you guys are new, smash that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and become part of the wildest family on YouTube, the Bear Army. And follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and TikTok. All of those will be the first 3 links in the description below. Or I'm not sure if I have this still, but you can scan the snap code as well, and that'll take you to my Snapchat as well. So do that, and yeah. Sorry. Hang on. Alexa, stop. Alright, Bears. Anyway. Do all that. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok. All that I just said. And if you guys are returning or new, whatever. If you guys find yourself enjoying this video, leave a like and a comment down below, and if not, just click off this video, find something else more enjoyable. Yeah. So with all that out of the way, I'm not sure if I have anything else to. Nope, that's it. That's the intro. So with all that being said, let's get into the video. So today is Saturday, and yeah, I have late night work, so this video is gonna get posted late as usual. Hang on, my camera's dirty. Never mind, I guess. But anyway, so I'm gonna head to work, get some B-roll, get some really nice, exquisite B-roll, hopefully, and yeah, figure out today's vlog. Yeah, I wasn't really planning on vlogging today, but hey. Oh, and if you guys saw yesterday's video, you guys would know that somebody stole one of my skits. So, yeah. But I did not have that video patented. If you guys saw that fly, comment fly swatter down below. But anyway, yeah, I have just woken up. This is the video that's gonna get posted today, pretty soon. All I have to do is get it up and get a thumbnail going for you guys. Yeah. What time is it? I'm going to throw a hat on and start getting ready for work. And no, I am not going to be walking. I have a ride, so this is going to be a little bit of B-roll. I'm gonna get some B-roll and some other cool stuff, and yeah, I will see. Ew. I'm probably gonna be cutting that up, but anyway, yeah, I'm going to throw a hat on and then start headed to work, because yeah, it's 4:34. If you guys can even see that. I've been awake for a little bit now, but I woke up at like 4:30, so I've been up 4:30. I've been awake for 4 minutes. So yeah. And if you guys saw the day before that, the video before that, about the rehoming situation, I do want to give an update on the kid's health and stuff like that. Well, not health, because I don't know how he's doing, but I do know that he was given to another home, another family, so that's good. I hope all goes well for that kid. Yeah. Anyway, I will see you guys probably in the next clip. I will be in the car and stuff like that. I'm not gonna be doing the middle clip where I say, alright guys, I'm going to work now, blah blah blah, because nobody wants to see that. That's not a vlog. A vlog is saying something, getting the story down, and then getting some B-roll to help the story out. So I'm gonna try to figure out some cool like B-roll shots and stuff like that. And yeah, other cool stuff coming up. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet for B-roll, because I don't have a shot list. It's kind of just a run and gun type thing that I'm doing right now. Yeah, but I do have video ideas for next week down right here. So yeah, don't be stealing my ideas now. So yeah, with all that being said, you guys, I'm gonna end this intro here, and yeah, do all that, and I will see you guys in the next clip. Well, you probably won't see me in the next clip. I don't know. Peace out. I'm not really sure what I'm doing in this vlog, but I'm excited. Really don't know why, because nothing's happening today. But I'm gonna try to make this vlog a little bit more entertaining than usual. So I'm gonna hit the camera here, like, you know, like this with my hand, and then I'm gonna figure out like some sort of cool other transitions that I can use. And yeah, with all that being said, you guys, I will see you guys in the next clip. That is the last time I will say that. Ow. Sorry guys, I'm having allergies. I forgot to take my allergy pills. I think I need to take them now. But anyway, again, I know I've said it already, but I will see you guys in the next clip. Enjoy this video. If you guys do, leave a like and a comment. And yeah, just wake up, because this is a great video for waking up, because I see a lot of you guys, about 73% of y'all to be exact, are watching this video without being subscribed. So subscribe, watch this video, and yeah, I will see you guys pretty soon. Yeah, great video for waking up. I have seen my views are starting to go down. So I'm gonna start making it more challenging on myself and start putting like b-roll and transitions into my vlogs, especially vlogs where I go to the gym. If like I'm doing either arms, chest, back, legs, neck, whatever I'm doing, I will try to get some b-roll shots in there, and you know, make the transitions a little bit sleeker, stuff like that. I'm starting to learn now. But guys, yeah, all that being said, I'm gonna start registering for school soon as well, because I think fall classes start pretty soon in August. So yeah, I'm gonna start registering for fall classes as well, and doing all that stuff. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys the most crucial part. I'm going to I have started an online driver's ed class. So I'm starting to learn how to drive and stuff like that, so that I can go take the written test, get my permit, all that stuff. So yeah, some of the days of walking in the heat are almost over. So yay me, I'm excited. Cause after this, I'm going to attempt to go on campus, and as soon as this whole corona thing is over with, and try living in a dorm and all this stuff, cause yeah, I mean, I'm getting better at a lot of stuff, like brushing my teeth without having to be told, stuff like that. Yeah. So I'm excited for the day that I can do that. But yeah. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next clip, because I've said that a whole bunch already. But yeah. Peace out for now. Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna make this vlog about my experience so far in the driver's ed class. So that's what I'm gonna talk about right now, in the next clip. So I will see you guys at the restaurant. Peace out. Sorry, I only have one hand. Do I have anything on my face? I feel like I do. It is 7:46, if you guys can see. I'm currently on break, that's why you hear text messages going in and out, in and out. Let me see if I can. When did I get 2 messages? So yeah, driver's ed's going great. I'm excited. I'm not gonna tell you like what's on the class and stuff, but and work right now is going great as well. But I'm gonna tell you guys what I learned, because right now I'm still on the first module. So but right now I'm eating. Again, I'm sorry because I only have one hand. So if I'm eating the chicken wrong, it's because I only have one hand to vlog with.
Okay, thank you, David.
Oh
Bye,
man.
guys.
I'm cutting that out. So after this, I'm gonna cut table and then that. Yeah, I'm excited. Everybody does everything around here. Yeah. It's always fun when I'm working here.
How's my special friend doing? Why do you go here and be special with her?
Anyway, this table's real shaky. Watch this. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. Yeah, there you go. It has something loose down here, I think. I don't know what. So, but anyway, I just thought that that would be funny. I'm gonna learn some jokes, but I do hope you guys enjoyed that B-roll. So it is 7:49. I get home at around 11. So, or I don't get home. I get to clock out and stuff at 11. So yeah, I'm tired. So I'll see you guys at the end of this vlog, basically.
This magic moment.
Yeah, I am really excited. Yesterday, I put a 35 and a 5, which made it 40. And then I added another 5, I made it 45, and then a 2.5 by accident. And yeah. Basically I couldn't get it up, and my spotter decided to stay home. How convenient. So I was literally stuck down there. I was like, oh great, no one's here to spot me. So I rolled it off to like my belly, hip area, so that I could sit up and then get it off me and onto the floor. That hurt. I shouldn't have tried that weight. But being a power lifter during high school, I thought that I could just push it up. I don't know. That was a stupid idea.
And I already put the signs over. Sorry, I don't know what anybody's talking about. But hey, how are you?
Not that I'm like calling myself stupid or anything. Ow. But I'm saying that that wasn't a very smart move.
Yeah, he's got money.
So yeah, tomorrow at the gym I'm gonna lay off the arms. I'm probably gonna go chest and core, and then probably do a little bit of back. Yeah, but I'm gonna lay off the buys, the tries, and the wrist, and the forearm. So.
Well, we don't have, we're Pepsi people, babe.
Yeah, I'm hungry, so I'm eating. So, yeah. I'm gonna hit you guys up later. But I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you guys are, don't forget to hit that like button, and also leave a comment down below. So since I'm getting a little bit less views, here's what I'm gonna do. When I edit this video tonight, I'm gonna ask each and every one of you guys if what kind of videos you want to see from me, like what other kind of videos you want to see from me other than vlogs. I'm not doing educational anymore. I thought I was, but I'm not very educational. I could do comedy, I could do skits, stuff like that. What kind of comedy jokes do you want me to put in the vlog? Stuff like that. Or what kind of skits do you guys want to see from me? You want to see action, horror, sci-fi, stuff like that. Well, I don't know about sci-fi because I don't have a green screen, but yeah.
What's up, Harvey?
What up, what up?
What's it going?
Pretty good, pretty good.
What you doing over here?
None.
Alright.
Just nomming on some food.
Alright, man. Take it easy. I'll see you later.
Alright. Peace out.
Peace out, man. Have fun. I need you to do that cut table.
Right?
We got this. They all understand.
Right?
They're good. They're good to me usually.
Alright. So that was Juan, my boss. Yeah. He's awesome. Actually, he's my friend. So something I thought I would never say. Just because, I haven't really had any luck lately. Anyway, well, just because, like, it's unusual to have friends in the... Oh, forget it. I don't know. Ow, what's a bone? Eating drumsticks are hard. Because, you don't know, like, when you're gonna hit the bone. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna get out from here, right now, but I am on break, and then I'll be probably home trying to end the vlog, Hopefully it doesn't go to the next day, because sometimes I might be a little bit tired. Can you guys get me a trailer park trashy from Torchys? Oh, I said trashy from There we go. The trashy trailer park is really good. I love it so much. It's basically, I think it's, I forgot what it is, but basically the trailer park is, I think it's fish or something with, if you get it trashy, it has cheese on it, so that's why I wanted it trashy. And I just generally love Torchys anyway, especially since restaurants are now allowed to open and have dining and stuff like that. So yeah, well, I mean Torchys is. I don't know about anything around here. So yeah, I'm going to finish my lunch / dinner or whatever, and yeah, then I will be right with you after I do cut table, and yeah, peace out for now. B-roll. This will be the end of the vlog coming up. I just got off it. My parents will be here in about 30 minutes. My phone battery is currently 50%. And I'm exporting yesterday's video. Yep, yesterday's video. Today was fun. Tomorrow I am gonna go to the gym. Again, like I said, it's gonna be chest and core day, and maybe a little bit of back, I don't know, maybe some deadlift or something to incorporate the legs, or something like that. So yeah. Anyway guys, I will see you guys at the end of the vlog. But work was awesome. I really enjoyed it. I always do though, because it's the same, it's repetitive. The same pattern every day almost. Except for today. Today I got to try cut table. That was really fun. I was able to keep up with it pretty good, actually. It was fun. But, again, today was a little bit slow. Usually on Sundays it gets a little bit busier, but... Ow. My arms are a little bit stiff. I wish we had a good chiropractor here, to be honest. Never mind. I always had a fear about chiropractors because they do that neck thing. And I'm always afraid that they're gonna break my neck. It's kind of funny, but anyway, off track. So again, I'm trying to get my license. Right now, I'm doing online classes through them. And pretty soon I will be registering for online classes at University College. But I have to look online and see like what kind of classes I can take and stuff like that. But yeah, this will be the end of the vlog coming up when I get home. I'm not sure what they're gonna have for dinner. Either they already got Torchys for dinner, yeah. But anyway, guys, I'm excited for tomorrow because I'm gonna go to the gym again and get some core and stuff done. And then at 5 o'clock, I'm going to come back to the Wing Street side on Takeout. So yeah, it was fun experiencing pet table. It really wasn't that hard. I just had to. Well, I mean, at a hardness level, I'd say it was probably a medium because I had to keep a rhythm with the pizzas, and then I had to match the order with the pizzas, and yeah, and then I had to match the size of the pizza to the boxes, so that was really fun. But now I'm exhausted, you guys. Now I'm exhausted. Become part of the bear army today because I'm exhausting myself just to make videos for you guys. I don't know. I've heard a lot of YouTubers do it. I thought that would be kind of a funny joke, but apparently it wasn't, because none of you guys are laughing and all I hear are crickets. So yeah, it is. As you guys can see, because I'm not sure if the ISO is too high. 1048. So yeah. Oh, by the way, I'm trying to crack my phone because it's not a real iPhone. Well, actually, it is. It's just a refurbished iPhone. I really don't like it.
Yeah, because there's been times where I will legit skip. I'll go off on the side of a delivery and I'll go to my house and use batteries.
Anyway.
Yeah. Because I spray that lid before I sit on it. Does that make sense? Yeah, it does. And when I'm not tempted, it's behind the trash.
Anyway, I will see you guys at home.
See, the reason why I say I don't try to go sell. I don't try to
Peace out.
use that.
Alright guys, yeah, it's bedtime for me. I'm extremely tired. I had Torchys, so right here is my burrito, or right here. Yeah, it'll be right here. Right here is my burrito. I just said that. It's called the Burrito Grande. I've had it before. It's really good. So you guys should definitely go to Torchys and try it. No free brand deals, but yeah, you should go and try it. Because I've tried it and I would definitely recommend. Yeah, my favorite restaurant so far in Odessa. So yeah, that is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed, I guess. Yeah, just a basic rundown of my day, I guess. So yeah, I do hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you guys did, leave a like and a comment down below. And if not, again, get off this channel because I do not condone haters. Yeah. I'm gonna head to bed. Wake up early tomorrow. Try to go to the gym. Maybe put some of these clothes away because I just did laundry. So yeah. And then clean my floor up a little bit. Jeez. And yeah, hang them up right there, and clean my top bunk because I really want to start sleeping on my top bunk again. Because that's probably not a viable option because that's probably gonna make Shayna really mad. So I probably won't sleep on the top ever again. I'll probably use it. What you doing, Shayna? Out! Shayna, come here. So yeah, I'm closing this, Shayna, because yeah, you basically made half a load dirty now. I'm mad at you for that. Guys, this is what she did. Look, Shayna, look. What she did was wrong. She put all, not all, but some of my load that I had put in the clean laundry on top of the kennel. She somehow was able to get it inside of her kennel and make it all dirty. Ugh. So yeah. Shayna, leaving. The case that I needed. I need that. Shayna, that is no. And anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Oh, I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna get my pajamas on and go to bed. I'm so tired. It was a long night tonight. And a long day. Honestly, I'm ready for tomorrow. So, yeah. So don't forget, do all that. If you guys are new, smash that subscribe button. Turn on post notifications. Make sure it's for all posts too, so that you don't miss a single video. And become part of the wildest family on YouTube, the Bear Army. Sorry I haven't been very excited today. I hope the B-roll was eye-catching enough to keep you guys entertained in the video, because let's face it, I just wasn't that energetic. I was excited, but you couldn't see it because I didn't have any energy. I was tired. I stayed up pretty much all night, I guess. I think Shayna's doing something she's not supposed to. But yeah. with all that being said, you guys, follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok. All those will be the first 3 links in the description below. I'm not giving you my Snap code because I already gave you that at the first part of the video, so yeah. Anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow. With all that being said, don't forget, be bears, be bold, be awesome, be your most original selves, live for the moment, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.